गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। आप इस लॉकडाउन में आप भी स्वस्थ होंगे और मैं आपको स्पष्ट कहता हूँ कि आप स्वयं बचिए, दूसरों को भी बचाइए और सोशल डिस्टेंस हमेशा बना करके रखिए, जिससे आप भी स्वस्थ रहें। और प्रत्येक दिन खाने के पहले हाथ अवश्य धोइए, करीब 15 से 20 सेकंड हाथ धोना है। प्यारे बच्चों, साबुन से हाथ धोइए और खाने के पहले भी हाथ धोइए। कहीं बाहर गए हैं तो जैसी आए तो हाथ धोइए, ये सब जरूरी है प्यारे बच्चों। तो देखिए, आज हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे कि इंडिया फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया, फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया का क्या फीचर्स है फिजिकल्स, उसके बारे में हम लोग देख रहे हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, मैं कह रहा हूं इस बात को आप ध्यान दीजिएगा कि इंडिया का हमारा इंडिया का नाइबर कंट्री भी है। नेपाल, श्रीलंका, पाकिस्तान, बंगाल, इट मीन्स बांग्लादेश, और there are 28 states. How many states? There are 28 states in our country. मेरे कंट्री में 28 स्टेट है। प्यारे बच्चों, वो सब का अलग अलग महत्व है, जिसको हम देखेंगे। तो थैंक यू, और आगे आप लोग देखें।
Political division. In this module, you will discuss the physical features and political divisions of India.
There's a show about India on TV. Interesting.
India, which is located in the southern part of Asia, is the world's 7th largest country. Today we are taking our viewers to this beautiful country. India is a country of diverse landforms. There are mountains, plains, desert, plateaus, coastlines and islands. The world-famous snowy mountains of Himalayas are located in the north and are also known as the northern mountains in India. Right next to the northern mountains are the northern plains. These plains are very fertile and are irrigated by the Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra rivers. These rivers flow down from the Himalayas. In the west lies the famous Great Indian Desert, a hot and dry region. It forms a natural boundary between India and its neighbor Pakistan. The Deccan Plateau is located in the southern part of the country. The coastal plains of India surround the Deccan Plateau on both eastern and western sides. Three water bodies, that is the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, also surround the Deccan Plateau on the west, south and east respectively. The Andaman and Nicobar group of islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep group of islands in the Arabian Sea are also a part of India. The physical features of India make it a vast country. In India, people residing in different parts of the country belong to different ethnic groups and speak different languages. Due to the vastness of the country, it is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. India is the world's largest democracy as its citizens come together and elect their own government. There are two levels of government, the centre and the state. The central government administers the entire country while the state government decides on the matters related to individual states. The union territories are governed directly by the central government. India is indeed a country of diverse landforms and cultural diversity.
India is known all over the world for its beautiful landforms and people. I am so proud of my country.
Let's recap. India is the world's 7th largest country. India, physical features: northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, Deccan Plateau, coastal plains, islands. India, political division: 29 states and 7 union territories. Central government administers the whole India. State government administers the states.
Physical features of India. Location of India. We live in India, which is the 7th largest country in the world. It has the 2nd largest population in the world. The population of India is about 1.2 billions. It forms a large part of the Asian continent. The mountains and seas separate it from the rest of Asia. It is bounded in the north by the Great Himalayas. It is surrounded by 3 water bodies: the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Indian Ocean is named after our country. India has several countries as her neighbors. China, Nepal, and Bhutan are to her north. Bangladesh and Myanmar lie to the east, and Pakistan to the west. To the south lie Sri Lanka and Maldives. In shape, India is broad in the middle and narrows towards the south, forming a triangular shape. It lies in the north of the equator. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. Look at the map. There are 2 groups of islands: Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Delhi is the national capital territory. Physical features of India. Location of India. We live in India, which is the 7th largest country